What is it about motorcycles? Is it putting on your gear first thing in the morning, swinging your leg over that seat, twisting the key to happiness? Or is it going down an old back road, curvy road, rolling onto the throttle, easing off the brake, leaning into the turn? Or is it seeing a really cool custom bike? Or is it going to a biker bar with a sport bike, knowing that they'll accept you? Is it seeing a father-son team? Is it walking around in your motorcycle gear, everybody looking at you, how cool you look? Or is it amassing that clothing collection? Is it decorating your garage motorcycle themed? Is it going to car meets and seeing how the motorcycle community just meshes with the car community so well? And it's like the same thing with trucking industry. See, trucks, is it getting that new helmet cam, pulling up to the car meet, pulling along the beach after a long trip, and just really enjoying the destination? Up until a couple months ago, I swore I'd never ride, and then I rode my friend's Grom around the yard. I was instantly hooked. A week later, I bought my first Ninja 650, and several thousand miles later, in just a couple months, who knows what's next? But my future holds a lot of motorcycling.